In this video, we will see how to fix if display option not showing on your Windows 11 and 10 settings page after Windows update. If you are also facing such type of issue that display option missing from your settings page, right click on start button and settings. And if you find, go to system from the left side. And if display option not showing here, then first workaround is go to Windows update from the left sidebar. And if any update available, click on check for updates. Install Windows latest update. Download and install it in your system. And thereafter scroll down and click on advanced options on the same page. Here scroll down and choose optional updates. And here if you found any optional update available, simply select it and choose download and install it in your system. And after that, check whether display option in your settings page display showing or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose device manager. Open device manager, and in device manager windows under available updates, expand display adapter driver. Expand it, go to your display adapter driver, right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. After that, close the windows and check whether display option in Windows settings page showing or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Scan your system with SFC scan now. Go to Windows search, type CMD in search field and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute the command. First, make sure that your system having administrative privilege. So to launch your system with administrator privilege, execute this command in command prompt windows and press enter. Your system must having administrative privilege. So execute this command and press enter. And after that, check display option in your settings page showing or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to apps and here look for settings app, either installed apps, otherwise system components, whichever you will find. Type settings in search field, and if it will not available here, so there is another method to go to settings page, go to Windows search and type settings, and here click on app settings from the right side. Click on app settings. Here under settings, scroll down and go to reset section. If this system components is not working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this system component still is not working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. So if repair does not work, then choose reset, and a pop-up window will appear where you will have to choose again reset. And after that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button again and choose run. And in run command box, type rstrui and click on OK. This command will open system restore window. Restore system files and settings. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So you must restore your system. Click on next and choose a system restore point. You can also make the check against show more restore point, and after that click on next and finally confirm your restoration point. Your system will restore from the selected event and finally click on finish and check whether your display option not showing on Windows settings page resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system settings. Here from the right side, scroll down and look for the option recovery. Click on recovery and here scroll down and click on reset PC. Here choose keep my files and on the next page it will take some time. Follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting process. Cloud download, local reinstall as per your choice and follow on screen instruction to complete the resetting of your Windows system. After that, restart your system. Your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.